Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the hard drive from your PlayStation 3 Slim. So we've disconnected all the cables from the back, so we've got no power going into this, or no HDMI cable, Ethernet, etc. And we need to look at this part here. Your hard drive is located just in this front corner, just underneath the disk drive tray here. And you can see we have this little bit here that allows us to pop this out. Underneath here there's a hidden little blue screw, so get a little pry tool or a little flathead screwdriver and just gently lift that up there, and you will see now if you push it to one side that you have a little screw here. You might as well leave this connected. You can pull it all the way out, but it's designed just to swivel around there. Get yourself a little Phillips screwdriver and go onto the blue screw and go counterclockwise, anti-clockwise, and you will see bit by bit it will undo. We need to take it fully out. There we go. Don't lose that, keep it to one side. Now on this little bit here, we need to just push it gently to the right hand side, and then that will allow us to lift it out nice and easy. So there's a little catch here, so don't just yank it out, you need to push it to the side and then lift it out. Yeah. This is your hard drive little caddy here. So get the little catch out, and then you can nice and gently take it out here, and that's how to remove your hard drive. So you can see there's 4 little screws holding it in, so if you need to swap it out, that's how you do it. And then to put it back in is just a reversal. So put it in here, push it all the way to the bottom, fold up that catch, get this part, drop it into place here, and then click it to the side, and it clicks in. You can see everything's nice and flush here, and then you get your blue screw, you put it back into the hole here and go clockwise. There we go, so it won't go anymore. Simply click that back into place and it's nice and flush again, and everything is back together. Nice and straightforward. Thanks for watching.